Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the EFF statement on the Supreme Court upholding the TikTok ban. It's a doozy, folks.
A doozy indeed. I'm already bracing myself for some intense legal jargon. So, what's the EFF's main gripe? Are they just upset TikTok is gone?
Not quite. It's way more nuanced than that. They're deeply disappointed that the Supreme Court didn't apply the strict First Amendment scrutiny they believe is warranted. The whole freedom of speech thing.
I see. So they think the ban infringes on free speech? But wasn't this about data security concerns?
That's the rub. The EFF argues the justification for the ban is primarily content-based, controlling what people see and share. They say the data privacy concerns are shaky at best. They claim our foreign adversaries could get our data a million other ways.
So basically, they're saying the ban is a sledgehammer to crack a nut? A really inefficient way to address data privacy worries?
Exactly. They point out that only comprehensive legislation can truly tackle data privacy, not banning a single app. Plus, they call the ban an eminently anti-democratic tactic, something the U.S. has previously condemned in other countries. The hypocrisy is pretty glaring.
Glaring? That's a strong statement. I mean, it's a pretty bold move to criticize the Supreme Court, especially on something as politically charged as this.
Oh, the EFF isn't shy about expressing their opinions. They're known for their outspoken advocacy for digital rights and freedoms. They've been fighting this type of government overreach for years. This isn't their first rodeo.
Right, so what's the takeaway? What should we, the listeners, be thinking about all this?
Well, it highlights the tension between national security, data privacy, and free speech. The EFF statement encourages us to question whether the cure is worse than the disease. Is a blanket ban on a popular app really the most effective, or even the most democratic, way to address potential threats? It's definitely food for thought, especially given the EFF's strong reputation and arguments.
Definitely food for thought. It makes you wonder about the broader implications for other social media platforms and the future of online expression. Thanks for breaking this down for us.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay informed and engaged. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.